Welcome back guys, this is Shrikant. Today in this video I am going to show you how to draw the constraint on a table on a specific column. For example, I am going to have a table, create table, let's say XXX test. This is my table. I'm adding one column called as a date, and its data type is date time, and I'm giving a default get date. Okay, then value money. So this is my table. Okay, let's select this table and see the definition for this table. I can see this constraint is created or not on this table structure. So just alter F1. Now if you'll come here and you'll see the default constraint has been created, right? And the value for this is get date. Okay, and this is a name for the constraint. If we are not passing any name for the constraint, it will automatically take the system define the constraint name. Okay, now my requirement when I create a table, my requirement was that whenever I don't pass any column value there, the default value should be the get date. My requirement has now changed. I don't want to add the default timestamp there now. So what will I do? I need to drop the constraint. So to do that, let's follow the syntax. You need to use alter table, the table name XXX underscore this. This is my table name. Then you need to use drop the constant name. The constant name is this one. Just select this name and just come here and just drop it. Okay, this constant has been dropped. Now come here and I can see the definition for this table that this constant is not present here, right? So previously we were able to see the row for the constant. Now we are not able to see the constant. Now if our requirement is that we need to again add the constant back to the normal, then how we do that? You simply do one thing. You simply just try it like this. Alter table. The name for the table is the XXX, the one which we used in last video test, right? Here you need to say like add you need to add some constant and get date. Okay, so basically it's a default constraint, so just specify default on which column. Basically for you want to specify on the date column, right? So simply create one. Okay, fine. Let's see the definition by pressing the alter F1. I can see now there is a one row has been added and this is the one. Okay, now if you observe carefully, the constraint which I draw earlier, it was having the name this one, and now this is having something different. So basically if you don't specify the name for the constraint, it will automatically use the system defined name, right? So hope you guys understood and enjoyed video related with the dropping the constant, and thanks for watching. If you guys really like our video, please don't forget to share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.